What's the deal, y'all? In today's video, I'm be showing you how you can get your first $100 with ClickBank in 2021. I know a lot of y'all have been struggling to make sales on ClickBank. Right now, it's honestly probably like the easiest time to make sales on ClickBank, or no matter what you're promoting. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step strategy that you can go and use and honestly start making money as soon within the next 24 hours if you follow my directions. But before we get into this video, for those of you that's interested, y'all been watching my channel for a while, you want more information or more advanced training, right now I'm running my 5-course bundle right now for only $47. You can get access to my Instagram marketing course, my Sapphire course, my Elite course covering Facebook and Bing ads, my YouTube ads course, well, YouTube and, you know, the free traffic. And I got my beginners course, which is my first course that I created. And I got some more news right now. I'm dropping the new 2021 Facebook ads course on my birthday, which is May 30th. At the time of making this video, it's May 21st, Friday, May 21st. So next Sunday, dropping a new Facebook ads course. It's going to be like 10 to 15 videos to it. It's basically going to be going over my updated strategy using Facebook ads and Instagram. So like I was saying before, 5-course bundle right now, you can get access to it for only $47. And without further ado, let's get straight into this training. All right, so to make your first $100 on ClickBank, I'm going to assume everybody that's watching this video, you already got a ClickBank account. Y'all just looking for the strategy, so I'm gonna just get straight into it. First things first, you need a winning offer. Another thing about this training too, which I just found out, you don't even need a landing page. So all you need is a tiny budget and a winning offer, and you can set this all up. And what I'm gonna be going over in this video is kind of like a done for you campaign, because this is a new offer. I haven't even promoted before, but I have been seeing it on Instagram a lot, which is why I'm making this video. So my winning offer checklist has been pretty consistent since I started making money with ClickBank. I like to find products with a gravity of 50 and above. That's just telling me there's over 50 different affiliates who recently made sales promoting that product, so it's obviously converting. Next thing I like to look for is a clean sales page, and what I mean by that, if I was interested in the offer, would I buy from it? I always ask myself that question. And I like to promote offers that already have affiliate tools. That's just a really, really good sign that you might be promoting a good offer if they give you tools to help you go and promote it. Now, the top niches that I've seen, you know, across the board, whether you're doing social media ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, is in the law of attraction field, manifestation, spirituality, health and fitness, dating and relationships, and woodworking. These is honestly the most popular niches that I've seen. I'm pretty sure it's other offers, other niches that work good. This is just where I made most of my money at. So the done for you campaign that I'm gonna be using inside of this video is actually inside the spirituality niche. So you know what? Not the spirituality, it's the manifestation niche. I'm about to go over to ClickBank right now so I can show y'all my live example. All right, so I'm over on ClickBank inside the marketplace. This is a new offer inside the spirituality niche. As you can see right here, I thought it was manifestation, but it's spirituality, I guess. Right here it says soulmate sketch, psychic drawings, blah, 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 going viral. It really is going viral because I've been seeing that on Instagram, but I didn't even know it was a ClickBank offer. I thought it was like a independent person that's doing it. I didn't even realize it was a ClickBank offer until I started clicking around. So as you can see, offer pays out $19.64, average $20 whoop-de-whoop. Recurring bill $7. I wouldn't really, you know, count that for real because that's nothing. It's like petty money. But if we go to the sales page of the offer, here it is. Find your soulmate. What I basically been seeing on Instagram is these little videos. So instead of like pictures and stuff, they use videos of people, like a kind of like a testimonial of people finding their soulmate or whatever. I don't know if it's fake or not, but more than likely it is. And this is it. Yes, I want my soulmate. Of course, they get the most attractive looking people to put on here. Then you just click yes, I want my soulmate, and you just fill out the little form, get your soulmate drawing, and you can pay for it right then and there. Let's see the affiliate page. Let's check this out. Scroll down. Of course, you gotta fill in some information. I already did it before, so it's pre-populated. Click on continue, and we get to go. 10% conversion rate across social media. They got banners, images you can use, email swipes if you was collecting emails. But like I was saying before, you don't even need a landing page for it because I've seen this page on Instagram doing it. So I was like, well, if they doing it, you can too. All you need to do is go get your affiliate link from ClickBank. Just click on promote, put in your account nickname, get your hop link, and you get to go. But like I said, they got all these different videos you can use. They got this one. I don't want to play it because it's super loud. But you can go to this page, Manifestation 508. They got one video right here, two video, or I think, oh, three. They got 3 different videos you can use. Now, you might be asking, how can I get the videos? you can go to Chrome Web Store. If you're on your laptop, download Web for Instagram, and you can basically download the videos once you got the app installed. So copy the video, download it, whatever, and you can copy the same exact caption that they use to promote theirs. That's not the caption I've seen before. Let me see. Well, basically all they did was copy the email copy from the affiliate page. So if we go, where is it? Boom. You can see it's all the same thing. We all know that love sometimes hurts, blah, blah, blah. You can scroll up. We all know that love sometimes hurt, blah, blah, blah. So now what I would do is go find different manifestation pages or spirituality. Really doesn't matter. Manifestation. Let's see. What I would do is just make a list of like 10 to 30 different pages inside of this niche. So right here, 10 to 30 different pages with over 100K followers. And then what I would do is basically DM these kind of pages and ask them for a promotion, or how much would they charge for a promotion on a page. More than likely it's going to be anywhere from, I want to say $10 to $100. You know, of course, do whatever is in your budget. Reach out to them. Hey, how much would you charge for a promotion? Another way you can find, if you can't find any through the search bar, you can just find one page, click the drop down arrow, and it'll show more related pages to whatever page that you want. So if we go to a different, do spirituality, you can power spirituality, 205K, I DM them. Click the drop down arrow, you can find a bunch of more pages. I actually ran promotions with them and I made a lot of money with this page. I think they charged me like I want to say 100, 125 for a promotion. And I got a lot of good results with this. I think I spent like 100, made like $400 or $500 off of one promotion. I was promoting a different offer, but that's basically what you would do. Long story short, you got your offer, got your affiliate link. You don't need a landing page. All you need to do is find pages that's 100K plus inside the manifestation spirituality niche. DM them like, hey, how much would you charge for a promotion? And basically set up some ads. Long story short, and you already got the videos from the other page that I told you to go to, Manifestation 508. Download those videos using Web for Instagram. Copy the caption and basically give the influencer your link, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, doing this on a day-to-day or a weekly basis, it adds up like crazy. I was doing this before I started promoting my own offers full time. I was doing affiliate offers on ClickBank the same exact way I'm teaching you right now. This is the simplified version. Now, of course, if you want the detailed training, I'm sure most of y'all are already inside my Instagram influencer marketing course. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about with the attack from all angles strategy, so on and so forth. So if you haven't got my Instagram marketing training and you want more information on that, you can get access to my 5-course bundle right now. I'm running a special on it right now at the time of making this video. You can get access to all 5 of my courses worth over $1,000 for only $47. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I'll be dropping more videos in the coming weeks. Y'all know my birthday coming up May 30th, so if y'all want to give me something for my birthday, you know, of course, reach out to me, let me know. But that's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.